Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about text to columns. So what it does in our file. Basically, it will split the data in a single column into a multiple columns. So there are two ways how to do it. We can do it through delimited and fixed width. Okay, so let's start. For delimited, there are separators in your data. So for example, the separator in this list is the semicolon. So how we will separate this particular data into multiple columns and removing the semicolon. So let's begin. So let's go to data and then text to column. Then click this delimited. So means delimited is how you wanted to, the separator basically. And then click next. Then semicolon. So it is divided now. Okay. And then the semicolon will disappear. Then click yes. Okay. And where you want to copy the file that is splitted. Okay. The data that is splitted. If it's A3, let's see, you want to retain the same destination. Finish. So the old file or the old data was not visible now. It was overwritten by the new file. But we'll do it on the next column. Okay. So again, delimited, semicolon, next. Then we can just erase this. Then go to B3. Then finish. Okay. So let's try if the separator is comma. Okay. So just highlight your data. Then go to text to column, delimited again, and then click yes. So now your separator is comma. Okay. Then click yes, and we will just delete this destination to the new destination. Okay, and then next. Okay, so you see it was splitted into two, and the comma there is removed. Next is space. What if there is space? Okay, there is a space in your data. You want to separate it or to split the data into two columns. So again, text to column, delimited, next, and then now is space, then next, finish. We did not change the destination. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it in the other column, and the next column. Okay, then delete this one, the destination, change it to column B. Then yes. So whether there's a space, there's a comma, or there's a separator, no problem, no issue, we can separate the data. Okay. What if the separators are at, and yeah, and then we will go to others later. Okay. So the separator is at the rate. Okay. We'll try, will it separate? Text to column, delimited, and then here we'll go to others. Okay. So the separator is at the rate. Okay. Just type there at the rate and then click yes. And then your destination should be in E. So we'll just delete this. Okay. And then go to E. Then finish. So that at the rate is removed now and it was splitted into two. How about if it's and? Okay. The and symbol. Okay. Then text to column, delimited. And then at. Okay. Next. And then the destination. Then finish. See, so it's working whether it be, again, whether it be the separator listed here is semicolon, comma, space, or any other symbol or character. It will separate. Okay? So let's try to separate. What if the separator is slash? Okay, slash and it's a date. So how it will separate? Let's see. Okay, text to column, delimited, and then next. Then now your separator is, okay, slash, then next, then here there's a date, right? The arrangement of the date here is day, month, and year. You want it to be month, day, and year. So click this date, and then month, day, and year, okay, and then your destination would be in column N, and then click finish. So it's separated accordingly. So this is the month, date, and the year. See? January 2, January 2. This is December 29, December 29. Okay? What if the text or the date is written as text. So this is happening whenever you export data from accounting system or from other application system. The date will not be downloaded exactly as date. So it will be shown as text. So how we will uh, separate this or separate the date, the month, and the year. Instead of doing this convert to number, okay, because this is just a number, we will do the text to column, okay? Text to column, delimited, then next. So there's no separator now. Then next, here the date, okay? Then we want the destination to be here, okay? We did not put any separator, so it will be converted into date only, okay? Then finish. So this is the date now. See, there's a separator. When you finish it, the separator came. So it's January 31, 2019. Because this is a text. It's in text format, whereas this is in date format. Now let's try if we will take that separator then. Okay. So again, we'll highlight all the details, the data, text to column, and then delimited. Then we tick here. Earlier we did not tick these others. Okay, we untick this and then we remove this earlier. So now we will tick it and we'll put the separator as slash. Okay, and then next, and then date. The destination is we want it in O. Okay, just to compare, we want it in O. Then okay. See the result is same. So whether you put a separator or not, the result will be same because these are just written as text and we are just converting it into date. Okay. Now let's proceed to fixed width. Okay. So fixed width. When we say fix, it's fixed. You are the one who's fixing the separator. You are the one who will you are the one who's telling the system to separate it according to this way. Okay. So let's try. Okay, so highlight all the data, then text to column. Now choose this fixed width. Okay, then we'll click yes. Then here we are the one who will tell him how to separate. If you want to separate by 2 letters, so we'll just put a separator here. You can see there's a ruler type here. Okay, so by 2, and then by 2, by 2. So basically by 2, he will separate it by 2 letters. So how to put is just one click. How to delete is double click and then you can put it again one click. Okay, double click, one click. And then next. And then the destination again, we want it in column B. Okay, then enter. And then finish. See, it was separated into according to the way we wanted to separate it. How about if it's a text? If it's a date written as text, okay? Same as in delimited earlier, this was written in text. We will use the fixed delimited or the fixed width now. So highlight the column, text to columns, fixed width, okay, and then next. So here we can tell him to, or we are the one who will put the separator. So by twos, so date is 2 numbers and then month. So month is 2 numbers and then date is 2 numbers and then year is 4. So we don't need to put a separator here at the back, at the end. And then next. So it's a month. I mean, it's a date. So how it will be written will be month, date, and year. And then we want to put the new data in column B. Okay, click yes and then finish. See, it was separated now. Using the delimited earlier, the dates or the data were not divided into date, month, and year, or month, day, and year. Whereas in fixed width, we were able to separate the month, the date, and the year. Okay. So by now, I hope you're able to know how to split the data in one column into multiple columns, whatever be the separator is. Okay. So thank you and bye for now. See you on my next video. Take care and God bless.